Is fiber and complex numbers. They are in the form of real and imaginary numbers. Examples: 2 plus 3i.
Very good. What are called even numbers?
Even numbers that are divisible by 2.
Okay. What 60 degrees means?
360 complete angle.
275 degrees.
Reflex angle.
What are called adjacent angles?
In two angles that has common vertex at the same point.
What are called complementary angles?
Complementary that has 90 degrees.
Very good. What are called supplementary angles?
That has 180 degrees.
What are
The both angles are same degrees.
Very good. What are called prime numbers?
That has only two factors.
Smallest prime number. One is neither prime nor composite kada?
First prime 2.
Very good. What are called decimal numbers?
Decimal numbers that are separated by a fractional part and decimal part, and separated by a decimal point.
What are called rational numbers?
Rational numbers. They are in the form of p by q, where q is not equals to 0 and q is not equals to 0.
What are called irrational numbers? Irrational.
It is in the form of it is in the form of p by q, and q is not equals to 0.
What are called integers?
It is a special set of numbers comprising 0, natural numbers, and negative numbers, and neutral number.
Neutral number is
0.
Integers are represented with the letter of
Z.
4.
Last two numbers should be divisible by 4.
Divisibility rule of 8.
Last three numbers should be divisible by 8.
Divisibility rule of 3.
Sum of all the numbers should be divisible by 3.
Divisibility rule of 6.
Divisibility rule of 6. It should follow both 3 and 2.
Very